Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today we are making letter French macarons. But before we get started, be sure to hit the subscribe button down below and give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Alright, let's get started. So we'll start off by making our macaron batter. A full list of ingredients and their quantities will be in the description box below. Combine the almond powder and powdered sugar in a food processor. Sift out any large remaining lumps. And set that aside. To make the meringue, we're using egg whites, cream of tartar, and granulated sugar. Fold in the dry ingredients gently until just combined. At this point, add any gel food color of your choice. Continue to fold gently and begin to press the batter against the side of the bowl to slowly release the air. Once it flows off the spatula like lava, we're ready to begin piping. So for these particular letters, what I'm using is a food grade marker and letter cookie cutters. So using the edible marker, we'll trace the letters onto a sheet of parchment paper. Of course, you can always print out a template of letters. Now keep in mind you want to make a top shell and a bottom shell. So for every top shell, you do want to make the mirror image of the letter for the bottom shell. So basically what you would do is flip the paper over after tracing the letters. And we'll begin piping using a round tip. You do want to over-exaggerate any indents or peaks because the batter will spread. We'll set those aside to dry and then bake them in a preheated 300-degree oven for 18 to 20 minutes. Once they're done and cooled completely, you can fill them with a filling of your choice. Here I'm using chocolate ganache, and I'll leave the recipe in the link above, also in the description box below. So as you can see, some of the marker has transferred onto the macarons. That's why you want to be sure to use the edible marker. And there you have it, letter French macarons. They're so cute and they taste amazing. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe down below, hit the like button, and I'll see you next time.